Hey guys, I'm Gunjit and welcome back to yet another video on this channel. So today I am going to show you how you can change your Discord tag without having Nitro. Like as you can see, I do not have Nitro on this account and I have a custom tag. So let me show you how to do it. And before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button and watch this video all the way till the end, because there are a few people who are not supposed to be using this tutorial. I'll talk about them towards the end of this video, so make sure that you stick around till the end. And on that note, let's jump right into it. So in order to follow up with this tutorial, you need to join my Discord server. Like, you absolutely need to join it, otherwise this whole tutorial will be useless. So now that you have joined my server, what you wanna do is that you wanna head to this verify section and react to this message. And after that, like, say hi in the main chat and then go to commands. And now what you wanna do is that you wanna type !discrim. Let me show you. So you wanna type this exact command in my server, otherwise this tutorial won't work. So after you type it, you are going to get a list like this. And what you wanna do is that you wanna copy the name of any one person from this whole list. So let's say if I'll copy this person's name, and after copying a name, you wanna head to your user settings and then click edit. Now you wanna paste the exact name that you copied into your username. You need to also type your password. So I will type it real quick. And when you type your password, you wanna click done. And when you click done, it is going to change your Discord tag. Like as you can see, earlier we had a tag which started from 8 and now we have a tag which starts from 7. So this method is working for me, and if you keep doing this method for some time, then you might eventually get the 0001 tag. Like, it isn't confirmed, but if you keep trying, then you will eventually end up getting it. And wait, this video isn't over yet. We are going to talk about the people who are not supposed to use this method. If you have a 3-digit tag on Discord, then you shouldn't change your username, because these tags are really rare and you won't be able to get it back that easily. So you shouldn't consider changing them. And if you have an unobtainable username on Discord, then also you shouldn't try changing it. That's because if you change your username, then you won't be able to get back the old one because it is unobtainable. So for example, I have the username beast here, and if I change it, then I won't be able to get it back. Like as you can see on your screen, it says that maximum number of people have this. And if you don't fall into any two of these categories, then feel free to change your username in hopes of getting a 0001 tag. So on that note, I am going to wrap up this video right here. If you enjoyed, then make sure to drop a like on this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel with the notifications on. Also make sure to check out these two videos on your screen.